Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix not being able to repost on TikTok. If you're having problem with not being able to repost on TikTok, then you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm gonna walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So we're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. So first of all, go ahead and open your TikTok app. Then see if you cannot see your repost button on the share option. You need to long press on the screen and then again the repost button will appear. This is how you can repost a TikTok if the sharing option does not work. I hope this video helped you get back your repost option. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.